Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve quantitative aptitude questions that asked in NABARD grade 2021. Here is the first question. It's a wrong number series. So 74, 92, 159. Now big jump in number, so it's a plus or minus series. So we need to take the difference between adjacent numbers. 74 and 92, it's 18. 92, 115. It is 23. 15, 43. It is 28. 43, 76. It is 33 difference. So 176 to 170 is 17 plus 24. 24, 41. Now 17, 57 is 40. And we'll take the difference between these terms. 5, 5, 5. Here it is 8. So a series of 5 needs to be followed. Here it is 8. So 41 is wrong, which is associated with 217. So 217 is a wrong number. Come to the next question. This is also a wrong number series. So there is no big jump in number. So it's a plus or minus series. So let us take the difference between numbers. 77, 19, 13, 98, 205. It is 15. Now 205, 224. It is 14, 5, 19. Now 24, 49, 25. 49, 83, 50, 33, 34. Let's take the difference. 2, 4, 6. Here it is 9, but 2, 4, 6. 8 should be come here. So here it should be 33. Here it should be 282. So the wrong term here is 283. This is also a wrong number series. Let's take the difference. 17, 67, 50. Here it is 33, 4, 37, 304, 330, 26, 330, 348, 18. Here it is 48, 57, 9. Okay, let's take a double difference. Here it is minus 13, minus 11. Here it is minus 8. Here it is minus 9. So minus 13, minus 11. It is decreasing odd number in odd number series. So here it should be minus 9. Okay, so it is the wrong term. The associated term is 348. So 348 is the wrong term here. So the next question is from boat and stream. Here 40 km upstream, time is given 3 hours 12 minutes and speed of the stream is 3 km/h. Speed of the boat increased by 20%, time to cover 54 km downstream. Okay, so I'll give the formula here. Okay, 40 km upstream and everything is given in kilometers and hour. So we need to convert this 12 minutes into hour. 12 by 60, which is 1 by 5, which is 0.2 hour. Okay, so we have the time for upstream as 3.2 hour. We need to find the upstream speed so that we could find the speed of the boat. Okay, so distance by time, we will get speed, which is 40 divided by 3.2. Find this. Okay, we will have 400 by 32. 1, 32, 8, 82, 64. Balance is 16. We will get a point here. Here is 160, 32. It is 5. So 12.5. I'm erasing this. So we will get the speed as 12.5 km/h. So the upstream speed is speed of the boat minus speed of the stream. Okay, so here it is 12.5 equal to speed of boat minus it is given. So speed of the boat will come to 15.5 kmph. 12.5 plus 3. I'm erasing this and I'm sorry for this bad handwriting. I'm writing in a small mobile screen, that's why. Okay, please excuse me for that. So if the speed of boat increased by 20%, which means that 20% increase in 15.5. Okay, what's the 20% of this? What's the 10%? Just shift a point to here, 1.55. So what's 20%? 2 times of 10%. 1.55 plus 1.55. That will come to 3.1. So after the 20% increase, the effective speed of the boat would be 15.5 plus 3.1. 18.6. Okay, the boat is going downstream. So what's the downstream speed? Speed of the boat plus speed of the stream. So this plus 3, it will come to 21.6. So the downstream speed is 21.6. Okay, let me erase this something. What's the distance needs to cover? 54. What's the downstream speed? 21.6. Let's do this. 21.6 will go in 54 2 times, and that would be 43.8, 43.2. For 54 minus 43.2 to 56.8 plus 4, 10.8, 10.8, 10.8, and that would then will give a point, so it will become 108 as balance. 108 divided by 21.6. Okay, 21.6 into 10 is 216, is half of that 108 is, so it is 5, 2.5. So the answer would be 2.5 hours. Please excuse me for this bad handwriting and constant erasing. Okay, I am doing this in my smartphone, okay. So it's a little difficult to write. Next one is approximation. Okay, this is a easy session. I hope you are all familiar with the BODMAS rule. Okay, I'll give it here. We need BODMAS to solve this. So there's an off here and division here. So we need to do it first. This will come to 75 plus 20% of 1650 divided by root 900. What's root 900? 30. Okay, we need to find 20% of 1650. So what's 10%? 165. Okay, what's double of that? To find 20%, it is 320, 330. 330. Okay, here it goes, and it would come to 11. So 75 plus 11 is what? 86. Here is 86. And the next approximation. Okay, two divisions are here and a multiplication. So we need to do division first. 864 divided by 4 plus 38 divided by 80.96 will come to 19 into 110. Okay, we need to do this. Here is goes, this will come to 220. Okay, everyone goes. Here 216. So 216 plus here 220. It comes to 436. Here is 436. Here is the next question on a ratio and a proportion. The marks of A, B and C together is 207. A scores 3/4 of B. So A, B, 3/4 of B. So the ratio would be 3:4. Right. And B scores 3 more than the average of all. 3 more than the average. Average means sum divided by number. Here the sum is given as 207. What's the number? 3. Let's divide. 6 to 69. 69 plus 3 equal to 72. 72 is what? This. 4x. So we need to find what's x. X is 72 by 4, which is 1, 3, 2, 18. X would be 18. So what's the mass covered by A? It is 3x. So 3 into 18. 3 into 18 is what? 54. Okay. 54. Now what? Now we need to find the marks scored by C. Here the marks of A is 54 and marks of B is 72. So we need to add that 6, 7, 5, 126. We will subtract it from 207 minus 126. It is 81. So the marks of A is 54 and marks of C is 81. Okay, so common divisor is 27. So 27 into 2 is 54, 27 to 3 is 81. 3. The required ratio is 2:3. Here is the next one in age problem. Sanjay and Ranjan's present age ratio is 3:2. 3:2. Okay. Ranjan's age 8 years hence will be equal to Sanjay's age 8 years ago. What's Ranjan's present age? 2x. Ranjan's age 8 years hence plus 8 is equal to Sanjay's age 8 years ago. 3x minus 8. So we can find x from here. Okay. What's 3x minus 2x would be x. X would be, and this will go there and it will become 16. Okay, so Sanjay's present age would be 3 into 16, 48. Here it would be 32. Okay, I'll just erase this part then. Now what's given? If present age of Ram is 12 years older than Ranjan. What's Ranjan say? 32. Ram's age 44. Here is the next one, a miscellaneous one. Area of rectangle is 96 square meter more than the area of triangle. Length of rectangle is 80 meter and the height of the triangle is 20 meter. Base of the rectangle is the same as the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, so let us draw a schematic here. This is what is given. Okay, 18, it is 20. Here it is base. Area of rectangle, as said, length into breadth 18b, which is 96 square meter more than the area of triangle. What's the area of triangle? Half BH. Half BH is given as 20. Okay, so here it goes 10b. 18b minus 10b, 8b equal to 96. So b will become 96 divided by 8. 1, 2. B is equal to 12. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter is what? 18 plus 12 plus 18 plus 12. 24 plus 36. 60. Okay. 60 is answer. Next one is based on simple interest. In scheme A, 10,500 rupees is deposited at an interest rate of 12% for 10 years. 1/3 of the rate from A is invested in scheme B with a 12% rate for 5 years. So what will be the amount from B after this 5 years? So we need to find what will be the interest from A. 12% of 10,500. What would be the 10%? 1050 plus what would be 1%? 105. So we need 2%. So double that. 210. So 1260. This is a 12% of 10,500 for 10 years. Okay, and we need 1/3 of this amount to invest in scheme B. This is 4200. This is the amount. Okay, let's arrange this all. 4200. This is the amount we are going to invest in scheme B. Okay, so with 12% rate, what's the 12% of 4200? 10% is 420, 1% is 42, so 2% is 84, 4 and 504 for 5 years. So what would be the amount? Just do this. 500 into 5, 2500 plus 20, 2520, 027 6720. Here is the right answer.
Now the next question is based on pipes and cistern. Pipe A can fill the tank in 36 minutes and B can fill the tanks in 45 minutes. So in this kind of question we need to find the LCM to get how much amount can pipe A and B can fill in 1 minute. So to find the LCM, just multiply the biggest number and just check that whether it is divisible by the small number. 45, next one is 90, which is now divisible by 36, and the next one is 135, which is also not. Next one is 180, which is 35 into 5 is 180. So 180, this is we are supposing at the full tank capacity, and pipe B can fill 4 parts in 1 minute and pipe A can fill 5 parts in 1 minute. Okay, then A and B open together and A closed after X minutes. So A 5 parties worked for X minutes. Okay, and if it takes 30 minutes to fill the tank, find X in minutes. So pipe B is open for 30 minutes. 4 into 30 to fill the tank. So full tank capacity 180. We just need to find X. Simple, right? 180. Here it is 120. When it comes to this side, that would be 60. 5x equal to 60 and x equal to 60 by 5, which is 12. Now we are coming to data interpretation session. Okay, here the male population of 3 terms are given, ABC, and the difference between male and female population is given, and the ratio between male and female also given. Okay, so ratio between females of town B and number of males in E is 8:17. Males ratio of E is to A to be find out. Okay, where is E here? There is not E given. Ratio between females of town B. Okay, so we need to find the females of town B. 6:1. Here it is the difference. 6:1. So what's the difference? 5x. Okay, 6x minus 1x. 5x. It is given here. 20,000. Right? So we need to find what is x by 4. It is 4,000. Okay. So what's the female ratio? It is 1, which is our x. So females are 4,000 in town B. Okay. And the females of town B and number of males in so this 8:17 is given. This 8x equal to 4,000. So what would be x? 4,000 divided by 8. That's 500. In this x is 500. So we need to multiply to find out the males, which is 17x. So we need to multiply this x with 17. Okay, 17 into 500, which is 35,3, which is 8500. Okay, males in the down B, females. Males ratio of E is to 7. So the male in E is 8500. Now we need to find what would be the male population in A here. So I will put it as here. This is male in E and we need space. So we are just erasing this. Okay. Now here the difference is 6x 13 minus 7, which is 15,000. X is here 2500. Now the male is 7x 7 into 2500, which is 0 0 35 5 3 70. Okay, we are asked to find this ratio 17500. 85 divided by 175. Let's divide it by 5. Here it is 1 7 divided by 3 5 17 by 35. Yes, here is the answer. I know I have done a big mess here, so sorry for that. I told you now I'm writing this in a small mobile phone, okay, smartphone, so it's not easy. We can't write that much smaller. Okay, at least we need a tab to do this. Okay, I'm sorry for that. And just listen to my voice, you will get that. Okay, this is the exam approach, and what I'm taking this much time is because I'm talking with you. Okay, this is all mental calculation, so we need to be that fast. But not for this NABARD, you may pass this, but for other bank exams you need to be very fast with your mental calculations. And the next one is number of females in town A is what percent more than females in C. So we need to find out the number of females in both A and C. Do you remember what's the value of X? For this we have found out in the previous video. It was 2500. Do you remember how we find out that? Here is the difference of male and female. Okay, here is the ratio. So the difference here is 6x, right? So 6x is 50,000. There you can find x equal to 2500, like that. Okay, so in C, have we found out x? I don't remember, so we'll find out here. And here the difference is 11 minus 3, 8x equal to 40,000. Here x is 5,000. Yeah, we already found that. Okay, x equal to 5,000. Now females in A is 13 into this one, 13 into this one, and females in C is 3 into 5,000. Okay, how much is this? 0 0 25 into 13 is 5. This 1 5 6 x is 12 1 32,500. And how much is here? 15,000. Okay, so how much females in town A is what percent more than? So we need to take the difference. What would be their difference? 32,500 minus 15,000 is 15,000, 1,700 and 500. So this is what percent more? So we need to do this. Okay, we need to do 17,500 divided by 15,000 into 100. This is the answer. We need to do this. 1 remainder is 2, 25, there also 1, then 10 would come, 100, so 7, I think 6 will come, point some value will come, which should be based on options. approximately will be equal to 117%. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, the next question. 5,000 mails from C work in an organization. So how many mails are there in 5? We just found out that X equal to 5,000 here. So mails 11 into 5,000. So the mails in C would be 55,000. Okay, let's write it here and clear this field. Okay, 5,000 mails from C is work in an organization. Organization 5,000. Rest in farm. So farm it would be 50,000. Okay, 20% males who work in farm like coffee, remaining active. What is the number of males from C who work in farm and like C? So everything about farm. So we will just write the number we are concerned with. Here are the persons who work in farm. Okay, 20% males who work in farm like coffee. What's the 20% of 50,000? 10% is 5,000, 20% is 10,000. Just like T. What's the remaining? 50,000 minus 10,000, which is 40,000. What's the number of males from C who work in farm and like T? Asterisk. This is right. Okay, 40,000. This is the answer.